Welcome back to you all on my channel. Let's do the acrylic abstract painting today on this small canvas board. And a very special experiment in this video, don't skip it. The experiment is uh, how I can get the longer time to make textures. You know, I need a maximum time to make textures, so I need the final layer wait for maximum time. Okay, so let's see it how I am doing. So first of all, I washed my bowl and took fresh water, and I always use water for painting, but for the final layer I will use the medium. Okay, so the experiment will start there. Okay, and if you are first time watching my videos, so please subscribe this channel. Here I am using acrylic paints, and you can learn, if you are beginner, you can learn how to do the acrylic paintings and how to use acrylic mediums, so you can find here. And if you are intermediate, so this is better to do the experiments results. So because I am showing you exactly the real experiment, and nothing is created by any technology or anything else. This is just real experiment. So watch it and subscribe this channel, and like, comment and share. Okay, stay tuned. Watch it now. Finally, all the works have done, means starting layers finished. Now this is the medium that I will use today. Acrylic medium is just explained for me today, as I told you in the beginning. And I will add with this black. And before this painting, I used only oil colors over the acrylic layers, or with water acrylic layer. This is first time I'm using acrylic medium. So let's see how it will happen. And this experiment was very nice. I took only one time this size, as you see, only this amount of acrylic medium, and then mixed with the brush and applied over the layers. And please subscribe this channel. I'm expecting 1,000 subscribers before March ending, so please support me. Look at this, how I'm mixing it, and how I'm working from last 7 months, and still I have only 100 subscribers. But this is good for me that my watching hours are very good, because you are supporting me to watch my full videos. So that's why it is going on. So thank you so much for the support. So here is the painting now, and acrylic medium's magic is going to be happen here. Enjoy it, and subscribe this channel please, and watch full video, and another video you can watch, and you can suggest my videos to other beginners who are wanting to learn acrylic paintings. abstract paintings. I can't teach only the medium. I can teach the ideas and the concepts of abstract painting and how to do the abstract painting. So here is I am doing the uniform layer over all the colors. Okay, by crossing the brush again and again, painting over the layer and layer. So this is the best technique to cover a layer uniformly. Means at every point, at every place of the layers on the canvas, the color will be same. The amount of color will be same. Okay, now this is the time to make how I create the textures. Okay, so texture making process is very simple in my ideas, and I'm using this iron nail. So in the first time I thought it is a little tough, but my dears, this is very easy. And after I finish, the layers are wet. Okay, the surface are wet. So this is perfect for me for this small size, but with the bigger size, how it will be happen, I will do in the next videos. So stay tuned and watch all the texture technique and full video, and subscribe this channel and stay tuned.